Yawning. It's not just a sign that you need more sleep. Did you know it's actually an empathetic response? When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons kick in, and suddenly you're yawning too. This fascinating phenomenon isn't limited to humans. Many animals yawn in response to each other, signaling social bonding or even stress relief. Scientists believe yawning helps regulate brain temperature and increases alertness, making it a quirky yet vital behavior. So, the next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, you're not just tired, you're connecting with those around you. Now, go ahead and yawn. It's contagious, and who doesn't love a good yawn party?